types of madness going on with this car. Gearbox malfunction light keeps coming on, keeps coming off. I keep losing power. It's just all mad at the minute. However, I've spoke to Audi. They've referred me to Audi Assist. They've sent someone round to my house to come and see the car and see what's up with it. They've came to my house, they've done a report on the car, and they're saying that it's got to be booked in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you what the car's actually doing. The car's only letting me select gears 1 to 4. Anything above 4, 5, 6 and 7, it's not letting me select. So even if I put my foot down and floor it, it will only go to gear 4 and then hit about maybe about 3,000–4,000 revs. And just when you think it's going to change, it will change, but then that's when the power just goes boom and cuts out. So I'm going to show you guys, so keep your eye on that rev counter there. I'm going to show you what it's doing. So I'm now at Audi booking the car in. Now I'm gonna go and see what they're saying. Catch up with you guys in a sec. Just dropped the car off to Audi. Back on my feet again for a minute. I'm just hoping it's something stupid like gearbox sensor, dodgy gearbox sensor or something like that. I'm just, well, that's the feeling I get, because if it was something more severe, the car wouldn't be driving anyway. I would have to get a tow truck to take it to Audi. So the fact that I was able to drive the car there, I don't know, it's giving me some sort of hope that it's a dodgy sensor or something like that. But you never know with these cars, innit? So once I get an update, I'll let you guys know. So I've just been updated. Rob called me today. He's explained to me on the phone that S3 needs a new gearbox, which was completely the other direction to what I was thinking. I was thinking it was something minor, and he's come back to me and saying to fix this gearbox it's going to cost £7,000. Since he told me, I'm not going to lie, it has put a big dampener on my mood today. I was in high spirits thinking, oh yeah, no, it's just, you know, it's just a little sensor or something. I'm sure they'll scan it, see what's wrong with it, and then rectify the problem. But it turns out it is not that. So he's saying he needs a complete gearbox, and also as well, what he's done, sent me over a health check. So obviously, when your car's with Audi, they give you this free complimentary health check thing to show you that they go over your car. It's basically like a little MOT sort of thing, like a prep MOT. They just go over the car and look at things and see what's what needs to be changed, what needs urgent attention and stuff like that. It just says, yeah, investigated into gearbox, warning on dash, carried out a GFF and found 2 faults in memory, advised that internal fault within gearbox, advised new gearbox and all associated parts replaced. £6,720 and 49p for a gearbox and all associated parts as well replaced. A lot of money, but luckily my car is under warranty. But what kind of made me have doubts, it was when I said to him, yeah, he said the car's under warranty, I've still got 1 year left warranty on the car. And then he was saying what he's got to do now, basically he's going to have a chat, then it's their decision if they're going to cover it or not. So I mean, if they cover it, great. I mean, they will cover it, all the costs, fix the car, get a brand new gearbox. I mean, that'd be good. But if they don't cover it, I mean, where do I go from there? Even if they say no, we're not going to cover it, I'll have to go to some sort of specialist, Audi specialist, get them to do something, recondition it, or get a second-hand gearbox. I don't know. I mean, to be honest, I haven't even thought that far ahead. It's just, I'm trying to stay positive. Obviously, the warranty's on the car. I don't see why they shouldn't cover it, but who knows, innit? You never know with these things. When they've seen the car, I know for a fact they're looking for, or trying their best to try and look for any performance mods, so they could just say, yeah, alright, that's it, it's void. So that way, it saves them £7 grand, and You know what I'm saying? It teaches me a lesson, but obviously I haven't done that, so it's just visual mods. I mean, I don't know what's gonna happen. All I've got to do now is just wait for him to call and give me the news, whether they're gonna accept it or not accept it, and then see where it goes from them. But as soon as I know, guys, I definitely will update you guys on the next vid. But for this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Until next time, stay blessed, take care.